I didn't really know exactly what I was getting myself into. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my 8-month microloc update. We're getting closer and closer to a year. Anyway, I'm 8 months locked as of the 22nd of this month. So I asked y'all to ask me some questions on Insta story and also the YouTube community tab. So I'm going to answer those questions, and I'm also just going to show you what my hair looks like up close. Before we start, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @tykara.ann. It's always linked down below, and I'll have it pop up on the screen here so that you can see. If you're new to my microloc journey, I started my microlocs with 2-strand twists 8 months ago. I have a whole playlist dedicated to my hair, installation day, an interlocking video, how I style my locks. All of those videos are in the playlist, so don't forget to check that out if you're interested in that. Let me pull up these questions. Was your expectations of having microlocs different from what you're now experiencing? I would say no, just because whenever I first started, I didn't really have any expectations. I mean, I had an idea of what I wanted it to look like, or what I thought that it would look like based off of my hair type, but I didn't really know exactly what I was getting myself into. I just kind of jumped in and did it. I don't really have anything to compare it to. Do the ends of your hair always get entangled with each other? Not so much anymore. They used to in the beginning, but now they're kind of starting to, you know, stay in their own lane. They still do get entangled with each other sometimes, but definitely not as much as they used to, so we're making progress. Do you get breakage from your locks? I actually don't get an abnormal amount of breakage. The only time that I get breakage was before, whenever I used to put rubber bands in my hair for wash day, for braiding and banding, but since I don't do that anymore, I have not experienced a lot of breakage at all. Are they maturing? Yes, I believe they are. If you had a question, thank you so much for entering in your questions, for those of you that did. Now I'm just going to show y'all up close and personal into my hair. There goes a sight from my soul. Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight, there goes a sight from my soul. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think a fallen angel just walked by. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Alright y'all, so that was all for my 8-month lock update. This month I have been really trying to focus on double downing on my ends just to make sure that they're not going to lock swelled up. That is all that I have been doing this month, y'all. We're still rolling, but we getting there. If you have any more questions for me, don't forget to leave them down below. Camera's crooked. You can leave all your questions down below. Follow me on Instagram at @tykara.ann. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Click the notification bell to be notified every time I post a video. And I'm out.